Have you ever come across a word that you just couldn't quite understand? Or maybe you've heard a term but never knew how to use it correctly? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to Vocab Expert, where we break down powerful vocabulary words to help you sound smarter, write better, and communicate with confidence. In today's video, we're diving into some fascinating words like discursive, disdain, and disparate, words that can add depth to your speech and writing. We'll explore their meanings, synonyms, antonyms, and real-life examples to help you remember and use them effortlessly. So, let's get started with our first word, discursive. 1. Discursive adjective. Definition: ambling, moving from topic to topic without order. Synonyms: deviating, erratic, prolix, roving. Antonyms: carelessness, indiscretion. Example: sentence. The professor's discursive lecture confused the students as he jumped from one idea to another without a clear structure. 2. Disdain, noun. Definition: hate, indifference. Synonyms: aversion, hauteur, insolence. Antonyms: admiration, esteem. Example: sentence. She looked at the poorly written report with disdain, refusing to approve it. Note: contempt is a more engaged, more involved feeling of disapproval than disdain. 3. Disgruntled, adjective. Definition: unhappy, critical. Synonyms: annoyed, cranky, griping, grouchy, grousing, grumpy, sullen, vexed. Antonyms: contented, satisfied. Example: sentence. The disgruntled employees protested against the unfair policies of the company. 4. Dishearten, verb. Definition: depress, ruin one's hopes. Synonyms: crush, daunt, disparage. Antonyms: encourage, hearten, inspirit. Example: sentence. The constant failures did not dishearten her. Instead, they made her more determined to succeed. 5. Disparage, verb. Definition: criticize, detract from. Synonyms: degrade, denigrate, malign, scorch. Antonyms: approve, flatter, laud, praise. Example: sentence. It is unprofessional to disparage a colleague's work instead of providing constructive feedback. 6. Disparate, adjective. Definition: at odds, different. Synonyms: contrary, various. Example: sentence. The research combines disparate ideas from history, science, and philosophy to create a unique perspective. And that's a wrap. Today we explored some powerful vocabulary words that can elevate your communication skills. Now it's your turn. Try using these words in your daily conversations or writing and watch your language skills improve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more vocabulary lessons and language tips. Also, drop a comment below. Let us know which word was your favorite, or if you have any words you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep expanding your vocabulary.